Why do 90% of travel enthusiasts dream of visiting untouched destinations? Welcome to the Faroe Islands. Picture this: rugged cliffs that defy gravity, majestic waterfalls crashing down in perfect harmony, and unspoiled beauty that feels like it's straight out of a fairy tale. Located between Iceland and Norway, this hidden gem in Denmark offers an adventure like no other. Whether you're hiking on the stunning trails, sailing through serene fjords, or simply soaking in the breathtaking landscapes, every moment here is pure magic. So pack your bags and get ready to explore nature's masterpiece. The Faroe Islands are calling your name.